cell culture is where you're growing natural cells in flasks and dishes so that they can be used in further experiments. So they can be grown in dishes like this one, where they can then be transfected with DNA.
I see.
And then you can look at them under the microscope. And the reason why we keep them in the flask is so that they don't overgrow. So we keep them in the flask. When you're splitting cells, you're taking like 1/5 or 1/10 of the cells to put in a new flask so that they don't overgrow. These ones have been previously used. I've just left them on the side here so that we can put disinfectant in there before throwing it in the bin.
Yeah, they are going to be disposed.
Yeah, these ones are going to be disposed.
Thank you. So I've just put in water bath. So you've got cell culture media, and we've got phosphate buffered saline. So growing some kidney cells in dishes for transfection. So these cells are going to be transfected with glutamate transporter and a fluorescent glutamate sensor. I've grown 85 microliters of the cells in 10 ml of media, in 2 ml media in the dishes with extra glutamate added. And these ones here are grown in dishes so that I can make frozen stocks for future cell culture. So this cell line is called Cross 7. And this is the seventh passage since they were taking out the liquid nitrogen. They were grown on the 10th of December, and it's a 1 in 5 split. So I've got the cells in the incubator. I've got lots of flasks at the moment because I'm making more frozen stocks of these cells. So that's why there's so many flasks, and these are the cells that I've just started growing. Thank you.
Antibiotics. Oh, glutamine. Okay. A little tube. Okay, so it's 200 ml. That looks like 1 ml. I need to work out how much I need. So that's 200 millimolar. Okay. Go back to
What they are?
so these are old flasks where cells were previously growing. We just need to put disinfectant in the flasks before we throw them away.
Cool.
And this one is a plate where it's got some of the cells growing, but the cells weren't very well grown that much, so I took them out of the incubator to prevent contamination. Millimolar glutamine solution. I can't remember the amount of glutamine that's meant to be in the solution. I think it might be 4. I should probably go check.
What are you looking for?
I'm trying to work out how much glutamine is in the media. I'm still trying to find out how much glutamine the concentration should be. It's 2 millimolar, so it's from 200, so it's 1 in 100 dilution. So that'd be 500 microliters. That seems about right actually. That'd be for the whole bottle. Yeah, they don't specify how much glutamine they put in there.
No.
I've got a feeling it was something like 4 millimolar or something like that. Or it just says that, all it says is just that it's present.
Why are you trying to find it from the notebook?
Let's see if I write down how much glutamine I put in the solution. I think 4 sounds about right, to be fair. So I think yeah, let's say 4 millimolar of glutamine. Okay, we've got, so I just need to do the calculation.
What did you find?
So I just worked out how much glutamine to add to the tube containing the cell culture media. Assuming that it was the final concentration needs to be 4 millimolar. The stock solution is 200 millimolar. So I just divided 200 by 4 to get 50. It's a 1 in 50 dilution. There's 50 ml in the tube, so I'm going to add 1 ml of the 200 millimolar glutamine in a 50 ml tube to make the final concentration 4 millimolar. So I just need to defrost the tube of glutamine, add that to the cell culture media, and then I need to split the cells. Before that I need to defrost the tube of trypsin EDTA.
Thank you.
I just need to defrost these tubes of, this one has got glutamine, and this one has got trypsin with EDTA.
Thank you. Are you waiting?
Just waiting for it to defrost. I'm not sure what's happened to the solution. It's like, I think all the glutamine has gone to the top of the tube and it's like come out of the solution. So the tube of glutamine has almost defrosted. I'm just going to add it to the cell culture media.
See what you are doing?
So I'm just writing on the flask details of the cells. Forgot what 23. Date today is 11th. Oops. And then I need to make some more dishes as well.
just going to wash the cells with 5 ml of PBS. Trying to get one of these glass pipettes out of the box. There's not many left in the box, so it's a bit more difficult. So trypsin just causes the cells to dissociate from the surface of the flask. It probably wasn't very good. I probably shouldn't have poured it into the flask like that. So you see the cells are dissociating from the surface of the flask. Yeah, you can see that they are. Let's see. I just add 5 ml of the media just to collect the cells into this tube. Oops. I was just putting the cells in this tube. So I'm just going to put them in the centrifuge. So that will spin the cells down to the bottom of the tube. I would then take away the rest of the media so that there's no trypsin in there. And then it's really important to balance the centrifuge. So just starting out, it's just going up to 800 RPM and it'll be 3 minutes. Okay, so the incubator has been set, the temperature is set to 37 degrees. The CO2 carbon dioxide level should go up to 5% and the humidity should go up to about 90 to 95%. So inside the incubator, currently there's a lot of flasks because I'm going to make frozen stock of these cells. So the centrifugation is all done. So the cells have gone to the bottom of the tube. So then you get rid of the excess media. So that was just the cell culture media that the cells were collected in. So there's a bit of trypsin in there, so we just need to take that away, so there's no trypsin in the new cell culture. Hopefully it's enough. Yeah, just about enough new media. Oh no, that might not be enough. So I'm just going to make sure the cells are suspended in the new media. So I'm just going to add, so the new flask has got a 1 in 10 split of the cells. So I added 10 ml of media, so I'm going to add 1 ml to the flask. So let's put this one in the incubator. And then for the dishes, I need 5 microliters of the cells. So I need 85 microliters of the cells, which I'm going to add to each of the dishes. I'm just getting rid of the excess and all of the rest of the cells so I can throw this one away. It's 70% alcohol. I'm just washing with water so it doesn't get blocked up like it did before.